I'm super scared because I don't know. Do I have in my heart? I believe in my heart he will work and do whatever it takes to get back. But like you said, the Vince Carter syndrome. Will I ever see the Derrick Rose that I thought I was going to see? The vision that I had a couple years ago, going, man, this could be. You know, I grew up in the '90s. I grew up watching Mike. I saw what I saw. I was like, man, this is something that's not Mike, but this is something different. This is something different, and I'm gonna be able to, watch this with my son. And now I'm like, times might be changing.
Well,
I don't know.
You know what? I think City of Chicago just has to pray that Derrick Rose is gonna be all right. I mean, this is a basketball city at the start and the end of the day. So I understand if everybody's quiet and hushed, what are we gonna do now? I'd feel that way if I had Carlos Boozer at the floor. You know what I'm saying? I would. So I think they have to think insurance right now.
Yeah, they do, exactly.
They have to think insurance. They have to think draft. They have to think via free agency. And Paxson has done a good job to be here, so hopefully it'll continue. He forgot to change the subject.
Well, let me say one thing. I'm going to say one thing. One thing to answer a question, I don't know, to answer the back end of a question of what Fife was saying about what we think they should do. To me, and I'll say this, and I've said this publicly, and I have to keep riding this out. The Bulls really need to think about their conditioning and training staff. Because it's not just Derrick Rose. Mm. If you look at the multitude of injuries this team has continued to have over the last couple of years.
They have to trade their training staff with Phoenix.
Right, but Dang out considerable amount of time. Kirk Heinrich never getting healthy. Noah never getting healthy. Just Butler starting to go down on numerous times. You start looking at, all right, what's really going on, because staff don't get injured like this. And this has been going on for 2.5, 3 years now.
Right.
So we talking about what the Bulls need to do all sudden now. To me, they need to start. And I ain't trying to put anybody on blast, but they really need to start looking at
expectations.
What's the condition and the training?
But hold up,
what's happening?
Let me just tell both of you guys this. From now of actually, being at at Hallis Hall with the Bears and seeing what they're doing, it's not just that; it's also the foods that they're putting into their body. Mm-hmm. They've actually changed up the meals that these guys are getting. So these guys aren't just getting the hamburgers and the French fries like I used to get on training table. These guys are getting meals that are prepared by chefs that help them, and that's what you see with teams like Philadelphia. You're seeing what Kelly's brought in. He brought in not only just the offense, he brought in a way of life, a way to eat. So maybe Scoop I think he has merit to what he's talking about. Maybe it's you have to change up now, because nowadays we're the things that are out there that we can obtain it's on YouTube.
Or let me throw something else out there. If you appreciate this. In the bigger picture scheme of things, is this all karma? Because I believe in karma. And I tell you appreciate this. Because I think the Knicks are still suffering for the way they treated Patrick Ewing. Absolutely. I think Atlanta is still suffering for the way they treated Dominique Wilkins.
Wow.
And who the Bulls treat bad up in here? Phil Jackson, Michael Jordan, and they shit on Pippen.
Wow.
Absolutely. Well,
did you think about that?
No, I didn't, but that is perfect. On point, you hit the nail.
I'm just saying.
Wow.